Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up IntelliJ for Java development. First, navigate to the JetBrains website and download the free community edition of IntelliJ IDEA. Select the installer that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. This initial step is crucial for a successful setup. Once the download is complete, launch the installer. You will be guided through several steps. Accept the license agreement and choose your preferred installation location. It's often helpful to create a desktop shortcut for quick access. Also, consider associating Java files with IntelliJ IDEA during this process, making it your default Java editor. After installation, open IntelliJ IDEA. You'll likely see a welcome screen. Select New Project to begin. It's vital to have a Java Development Kit, or JDK, installed and configured. IntelliJ will often prompt you to download one if it's missing. Give your project a meaningful name and choose a suitable location on your computer, then click Finish. Now you're ready to write code. In your new project, expand the SRC folder, right-click, and select New, then Java class. Name your class, for example, Main. Inside, type a simple Hello World program. To run it, locate the small green play button next to your main method and click it. Your output will appear in the Run console at the bottom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.